Galapagos is unique because this is one of the few places on Earth where you're actually accepted as part of the environment. These species are not running away or flying away. In certain cases, they're coming up to you.
Nothing can prepare you for what you actually see and experience here.
We're seeing the maximum we could be seeing every single day.
For me, to guide in the Galapagos is really a storytelling experience from the time of my grandparents, to tell the stories that they told me when I was coming to spend summer vacation with them.
The islands have really surprised us because of their diversity. One island is volcanic, the next is lush green. It's really everything under the sun here.
Well, I have to say this is not a typical cruise per se. This is an expedition. And what that means is we're going out and exploring into this living laboratory of evolutionary biology.
Those things that you have in your bucket list that you'd like to do, like swim with sea lions, see manta rays, nothing can prepare you for the actual experience of doing it, seeing it, being there, and how close you actually get.
On Silver Galapagos, we have naturalists that will help you to understand the Galapagos. We're interpreting what nature tells us into our common language.
The guides, they are the #1 transmitters of how absolutely precious and fragile this place is, and thus why conservation is so important.